Hello everyone, this is Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2025 BMW X5 sDrive40i. This vehicle has a turbocharged inline 6-cylinder with 375 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque, and it does 0 to 60 in 5.3 seconds, which is pretty impressive. Or could be a little bit less or a little bit more with the sDrive, but the xDrive should be doing it in 5.3 seconds. So this has like the newer BMW interior design. You have iDrive 8 in here with the big screen, touch screen. The gauge cluster and the screen are one big piece. Reverse camera with 360 view, sport mode. I like this little I like this trim in the interior with like the light up X5 logo, and then open pore wood trim, nice soft leather. Seats are nice and comfortable, and then they feel really plush and soft. You have a Harman Kardon sound system in this model. You also have a head-up display, and you have a panoramic sunroof. But let's walk around this vehicle, see what it's like. A black exterior on this one with the little blue pieces in the headlights. They look pretty cool. LED headlights. Those are the upgraded headlights. The regular ones don't look like that. And these are the taillights on the LCI X5s. It looks really cool to me. And you have an sDrive40i badge on the back. Here are the rear seats in this vehicle. You also have charging USB-C charging ports right there for your phones, which is nice. And I like this diamond stitching. You have a two-piece tailgate. You can use this to load in some bigger items, or you could just use it to tailgate out the back of your X5. Just sit on this little thing as a bench, have some food, drinks, whatever you want to do. I like how it closes up in two pieces like that. But let's get this X5 out on the road and see what it's like to drive it. You have a wireless charging tray, which is where my phone is right now. This is a pretty basic X5, but yet it has all these great features, which is nice to see that, right? Yeah, this thing is plenty quick. It definitely feels around that 5.3 second 0 to 60 figure. That's really quick. I mean, 375 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque are very, very strong figures. An instant acceleration, which you would expect from BMW's fantastic vehicles, and quick transmissions. We're just going to go for a little more of a chill, quick drive, so I'm just going to put it in comfort mode. I just want to test out that acceleration. very nice and smooth, very comfortable. As I said, the seats feel great. And no matter what mode you're in, this thing will fly when you put your foot down. It's great how even a regular X5 like this has that kind of power. That's awesome. There's not many cars that drive the way a BMW does. BMW just is awesome. I just love BMW, as you guys know. All the buttons and everything just feel really good. Everything feels great in this car. But overall, this is a nice X5 sDrive40i. Very comfortable drive, very ample power, and a great daily driving vehicle. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you would like to shop for brand new, certified pre-owned, or pre-owned BMW products.